I pledge allegiance
to the flag
of the United States of America and to the republic
for which it stands,
one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
A glorious new morning, FM. This magical morn finds us upon a Wednesday, April 18th, a day of evenness. 'Tis I, Jonathan, Duke of Gloucester,
And 'tis I, Jacob, Lord of Essex.
I am Neil, Duke of Gloucester.
And I am Ellie, Lord of Essex.
I am Massimo, Duke of Gloucester.
And I'm Joshua, Lord of Essex.
I am Ashlyn.
I am Duke Charles, Duke of Gloucester. And I am
Isabella, Lord of Essex.
I am Ashton Vendetti, Duke of Gloucester, and I
am Anna, Lord of Essex.
I am Kate, Duke of Gloucester.
And I am Amanda, Lord of Essex.
I am Michael, Duke of Gloucester.
And I am Nick, Lord of Essex.
I, Rachel, Duke of Gloucester. And I am Sophie, Lord of Essex.
I am Corey, Duke of Gloucester.
And I'm Zach, Lord of Essex.
And in today's proclamations,
Ho, seniors, do not be omit thyself from this year's edition of our students' paper of record, also known as a newspaper.
Mark thy school electronic mail for a Google form and more information.
Google form? I know not what this says.
This rainy month of April, FMP2 is highlighting the strength of character of appreciation of beauty and excellence.
Come forth and gaze upon this video.
appreciate that.
Doth not forget that today is the final day to fill out your paper of request to rise to the rank
of P2 Ambassador 9 moons from now.
Due to the program of every 15 minutes, horse and carriage parking spots number 165 through 355 are not available beginning at 4 p.m. today through tomorrow. Children of learning who park there doth plan to Takathe the booths of yellow. Please besiege Dr. Doughton in the office of House 1 if they be true thee needed to maketh alternate arrangements.
And now I giveth thee Neil.
Grant you mercy, Ellie. Zounds! FM International is peddling trinkets
to make ducats for Soleil Incorporated to send underprivileged Haitian babes to school.
Bracelets of plastic are but $1 and shall be sold in the foyer through Friday.
Mark this, all those with interest in playing JV or varsity football.
Upon the arrival of autumn shall attend this day a mandatory meeting
in room 1209 at 2:20.
Thus we come to the end of our most pressing messages of note. I'm Kate.
And I am Amanda.
I am Michael.
And I am Nick.
Have the rapturous day, FM.
I am Rachel. And I am Sophie, Lord of Essex.
I am Corey.
And I am Zach.
Have a rapturous day, FM. Huzzah!
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 Huzzah! Huzzah!
Huzzah!